Hey guys, and welcome back to a review video. Today I'm with Cindy and she's in this really cute outfit. So it's like this very long sleeve top, and then in this dungarees, which I actually got from one of the younger babies before I even got Cindy, but it has these cute patchworks over it, cute pocket, and then the buttons are like little flowers, which is really cute. And I think we might have decided we're going to take Care Bear for her, Cuddly Care Bear or the cheetah, but we're not sure yet. But I'm going to just get on with the video. So I'm taking this bunny for Lily. Really cute. It's got a little carrot and it's so cute. It's really nice. You hear this filtering background because my bedroom is like on the ground. It's my fish pond, so. And then for Willow, I'm taking her jacket, her Winnie the Pooh dress, which is really cute. It's like a dungarees built in, which I think is adorable. I just think it's adorable. And then we're taking her onesie, which is full of sheep and cows and chickens. And then I'm taking this, and it says head over heels off to bed. Like, it's so cute, and it's got like Winnie the Pooh on. And then I'm also taking this blanket, which I had when I was a baby. And yeah, it's really nice. But it's got all these cute creatures on, whatnot. That's why I'm. And then for Cindy, I'm taking her jeans. Actually, I think they're jeggings. Her long black skirt. I'm taking this rose dress. Taking this party dress. I'm taking this dress. And I'm also taking this dress plus a hoodie. I'm taking more for Cindy because she has more accidents. You know what I mean? She does nowadays. Which, yeah. And I'm going to be carrying Lily in this. And it's got like, it says my baby. And then it's got like Dumbo all over it and balloons. It's like really cute. And then like, there's like a matching thing. And it's just pink, which I think is adorable. And yeah, I can't wait. So I'll probably be videoing it on like every day. But yeah, every day. So I've kind of see, I've got white and then brown. It's because I've refurnished my room, and that's my desk that goes on this other thing, and then this is my chest of drawers. Yeah, and it's got all my clothes in, and then yeah, like this, my stairs are now here instead of where they used to be, which was there. I am tidying this up, and it's taking forever. So annoying, but yeah. So I'm doing that, and like, I'm also going to be taking some entertainment for them. I think I'm going to take some Happy Land for Cindy and some pony toys. Yeah, so it's probably going to be this, but yeah, and then I really can't wait. And I don't know if this will post to the net when I'm there, or when I'm at home still, but yeah. And yeah, my room's a mess, so I had to keep it short and snappy, but I'll probably do more videos and whatnot. So yeah. So thanks for watching, click like and subscribe.